Buying a used BMW after the factory warranty expires can feel like a huge gamble. For years, many people have believed that the moment the warranty ends, expensive repairs are just around the corner. But that's only true if you choose the wrong model. Over the last decade, BMW has built several sedans and coupes that have proven to be far more reliable than most people expect, combining premium comfort, exciting performance, and long-term dependability. In this video, we're counting down 4 BMW cars that are absolutely worth buying even after their factory warranty has expired. If you're looking for a used BMW that can deliver years of enjoyable ownership without constantly draining your wallet, stay with us until the end, because our number one pick has become one of the smartest pre-owned BMWs you can buy today. Let's begin with the 2019 to 2023 BMW 330i, a sedan that has quietly become one of the best used BMWs you can buy once the factory warranty has expired. Under the hood is BMW's 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 inline-4, an engine that marked a significant improvement over some of the company's earlier turbocharged four-cylinder designs. It delivers around 255 horsepower, plenty of torque for everyday driving, and, more importantly, a reputation for being one of BMW's most dependable modern engines when serviced on schedule. Unlike the older N20 engine, which developed a reputation for timing chain issues in certain model years, the B48 has largely avoided widespread design flaws, making it a much safer long-term bet for used car buyers. That doesn't mean it's completely trouble-free. Like any modern turbocharged German engine, it still requires consistent maintenance. Oil changes should be done more frequently than the factory's extended service intervals suggest, and it's important to stay ahead of cooling system maintenance as the vehicle ages. Owners who follow preventive maintenance instead of waiting for problems to appear are often rewarded with well over 150,000 miles of dependable service. Beyond reliability, the G20 Generation 330i is simply an outstanding all-around luxury sedan. The chassis feels balanced, the steering is precise, the cabin is quiet and well-built, and the latest iDrive system remains one of the easiest infotainment systems to use. It offers enough performance to be genuinely enjoyable on winding roads while remaining comfortable and efficient enough for long daily commutes. It may not have the effortless power of BMW's legendary B58 six-cylinder engine, but that's also one of its strengths. The B48 is generally less expensive to maintain, more fuel-efficient, and still delivers the engaging driving experience people expect from a BMW. If you're shopping for a used BMW that's no longer covered by its factory warranty, the 330i is one of the safest bets you can make. It's not maintenance-free, and ownership costs will still be higher than those of a mainstream sedan, but compared to many other modern luxury cars, it offers an exceptional balance of reliability, performance, comfort, and value that makes it easy to recommend. Next up is the 2018 to 2021 BMW 540i, a luxury sedan that many BMW enthusiasts consider one of the brand's finest modern achievements. Its biggest advantage is the outstanding 3.0-liter turbocharged B58 inline-6 engine. Widely praised by both owners and independent BMW specialists for its impressive combination of performance, refinement, and long-term reliability. Producing 335 horsepower, the 540i delivers effortless acceleration while remaining incredibly smooth and composed at highway speeds. Unlike some of BMW's older turbocharged six-cylinder engines, the B58 has proven to be remarkably robust, with very few widespread mechanical weaknesses when maintained properly. That said, it's still a sophisticated luxury car, and routine maintenance is essential. Components such as the cooling system, ignition coils, spark plugs, and transmission service shouldn't be ignored simply because the car feels like it's running perfectly. What really makes the G30 Generation 540i stand out is how complete it feels. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, the ride quality is refined without feeling soft, and the steering still provides enough feedback to remind you that you're driving a BMW. It also benefits from excellent build quality and an interior that continues to feel modern years after its release. While repair costs can certainly be higher than those of a non-luxury sedan, owners who keep up with preventive maintenance often enjoy years of dependable ownership with relatively few major repairs. If you're looking for a premium executive sedan that's genuinely rewarding to drive and still makes sense to own after the factory warranty expires, the BMW 540i is one of the strongest candidates on today's used market. Our next pick is the 2020 to 2023 BMW M340i, a performance sedan that proves owning a fast BMW after the warranty expires doesn't automatically mean signing up for endless repair bills. Like the 540i, it's powered by the exceptional 3.0-liter turbocharged B58 inline-6, but in this application, it produces up to 382 horsepower, delivering sports car levels of acceleration while maintaining a surprisingly strong reputation for reliability. The engine has consistently impressed owners and mechanics alike for its durability, and the 8-speed ZF automatic transmission paired with it is also regarded as one of the most dependable gearboxes in the industry. Even with its performance focus, widespread catastrophic mechanical failures are relatively uncommon when the car is serviced correctly. Of course, the M340i isn't cheap to own. Performance tires wear out faster, brakes are more expensive, and insurance premiums are usually higher than on a standard 3 Series. Replacement parts also tend to cost more simply because this is a higher performance model. But those are ownership costs rather than reliability problems, and it's important to separate the two. If you're prepared for premium maintenance expenses, the M340i rewards you with exceptional performance, outstanding daily comfort, a beautifully finished interior, and one of the most reliable modern performance drivetrains BMW has ever produced. For drivers who want genuine excitement without sacrificing long-term dependability, it's easily one of the best used performance sedans on the market today. Before we reveal our top pick, if you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe because we've got plenty more BMW buying guides, reliability rankings, hidden gems, and ownership tips coming your way. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's next. Taking the number 1 spot is the 2020 to 2023 BMW 530i, a luxury sedan that often gets overlooked because it doesn't have the power of the 540i. But for many buyers, that's exactly what makes it such a smart long-term choice. Under the hood is the proven 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 engine, paired with BMW's excellent 8-speed ZF automatic transmission. Together, they create one of the most balanced and dependable powertrains in BMW's current lineup. While it won't deliver neck-snapping acceleration, it offers more than enough performance for everyday driving, while generally costing less to maintain than the 6-cylinder alternatives. The B48 has established itself as a solid engine with very few widespread design flaws, especially compared to some of BMW's older turbocharged 4-cylinders. The G30 Generation 530i also excels where many owners spend most of their time: comfort. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, the ride quality is smooth without feeling disconnected, and the interior still feels every bit as premium as newer luxury sedans. Like any modern BMW, it's not immune to wear items or occasional electronic issues as mileage increases, and skipping maintenance is never a good idea. But owners who stay on top of oil changes, cooling system inspections, and scheduled service often report years of reliable ownership with relatively few unexpected repairs. If you're looking for a used BMW that still feels luxurious long after the warranty expires, while keeping ownership costs more reasonable than higher performance models, the 5030i may be one of the smartest choices you can make. As you can see, buying a BMW after the factory warranty expires doesn't have to be a risky decision. The key isn't avoiding the brand, it's choosing the right model, with the right engine, and committing to proper maintenance. Every car on this list has earned a solid reputation for offering an excellent balance of luxury, performance, and long-term dependability, making them some of the smartest used BMWs you can buy today. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these BMWs would you choose, or is there another model you think deserves a spot on this list? Let us know in the comments, And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.